Wait, Jaleesa.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Wait, take off your blindfold.
Oh,
Hey guys! We're doing the jelly bean challenge.
Welcome to Valerie's PlayRoom. Valerie's PlayRoom. Let's have fun. Valerie's PlayRoom. Let's have fun. Welcome to Valerie's PlayRoom.
Yep.
I'm Valerie, as you guys know. My special guest is Jaleesa again.
Hi guys.
And we're doing the jelly bean challenge. You have to guess which one's which. So what flavor it is.
So we have a whole bunch of flavors in here, and we're gonna be blindfolded, and we have to see what flavor we think the jelly bean is. So before we taste the jelly bean, we're gonna show you the color.
And I think I know what they are. I think this one's lemon and stuff.
Yeah,
but we
the
don't
yellow
know.
is
Because we are just guessing, but we don't know what taste it is. We haven't tasted it yet.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure the yellow is lemon. The orange is orange. I think the dark red is cherry.
And
the
I
light red is strawberry.
And then I think this one is grape, like the purple grape.
Yep. All right,
So-
you ready to start?
Yeah.
And some of them are green, but we're not sure what flavor that is.
I think this one's green apple, though.
Maybe. All right, you ready? Hold on, I need to redo my.
Actually, we don't even know what jelly bean we're gonna choose. So that's gonna be right there.
All right, let's get our blindfold on. I'm not gonna be able to see anything. All right, try not to knock this over so that it doesn't break.
Yeah.
Wait, one person should stay not blindfolded so that when one person goes, we can see the color and then see if they got it right. All right. Okay, so Valerie, you go first.
Okay.
The bowl's right here. Wait, show the camera. Yeah, she got that color.
Dark red.
Yeah, but what flavor?
Cherry.
Good job. All right, my turn.
It tastes like cherry.
All right, here's the bowl.
Right here.
All right, don't say the color that I have. Wait, can the camera see it?
Yeah.
All right, I got that color. Ooh, this one's good, but I don't know what it is. Wait, is it the green one? It's not?
No.
Wait, no. Is the pink one?
No. 2 guesses done.
What is it?
It's the orange.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, now I taste it. Never mind. All right, your turn.
Now we need the blindfold.
That one is good, though.
Now, how do I put this thing back on? I don't even know how to put one on.
All right.
The bowl. Oh, it is. I feel like this one's a lucky one, guys.
All right.
Now,
No peeking. All right, what do you think it is? What color?
I think it's orange. Is it?
I just forgot what color she had. Nope, you got it wrong.
What is it?
What's your second guess?
I think it's green.
Nope, it's purple.
It's purple?
Yep. Right.
That was hard.
I don't know if I could get the blindfold on like that, but we're just gonna do that. Wait, can the camera see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, this one is the green one.
No!
What?
It's the orange again.
It tastes different.
It's the orange again.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. You showed the camera. Guys, sent something, like, to see if she was right, because she doesn't know, but I do. So you guys can prove to her that it was orange.
All right, your turn.
Okay.
I still can't believe that one was orange.
No, don't steal
I wanna eat
it.
They're really good. They're the Starburst jelly beans.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Ad coming up.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh wait, you're doing it with that hand.
I think I'm gonna go with this one.
Wait, right there. There you go.
What?
What do you think this
Green, green, green.
one? Nope. Second guess.
I think it is red.
Yep. It's the dark red one.
I knew it. I thought it was a dark red.
Alright, my turn. Alright, let's see. No, I don't know. Wait. Is this the cherry one? The red one?
What kind of red one?
The dark red? Oh man. Was it the light red?
Yes.
I was close that time.
You had 2 guesses, but you didn't use it. You didn't use your second.
No.
I'm taking this one. I think this is a lucky one.
That one does taste really good.
Orange.
Nope.
Green.
Nope. The yellow. It was lemon. Hopefully if I get yellow, I actually guess it right because that'd be kind of sad if I didn't. Okay. We got that one. This one doesn't. It almost tastes like watermelon. Is this one the dark red one?
No,
No. It's green because it tastes like green apple.
it is. It's watermelon.
So the green is watermelon. It's not green apple.
Yes. Guys, you know my favorite is yellow, but I really like this one too. So those are my 2 favorites.
Ooh, we should do a special round.
Yeah, which was the 3,
You
right?
could just dump it in there. Yeah. Oh wait, there was one stuck. All right, here are our jelly bean choices.
I really hope I get red. I really.
Oops. We're gonna pretend like that didn't fall. It's gonna. It's gone now. Well, you can go.
I got the yellow one, so
Yeah.
it's technically your turn.
Well, whatever.
She said whatever. Whatever.
All right, I choose 3 this time, right?
Yeah.
Is that
No, go again. Same color.
same color? All of them?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oops. Are there any of the same colors?
Yes.
There's too many of the same colors.
Yes.
Are those different colors?
Yes.
Really?
No, they're different colors.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, the rule is they have to all go in your mouth at the same time.
Yeah. Hey.
I don't know how I'm gonna tell you apart, but
I'm actually gonna use my technique. We're trying to.
green, light red, and dark red.
Yes.
So I'm good at telling them apart whenever I eat them all at once.
Okay, my turn.
Oops. Did you see them?
No. Are these any of the same colors?
Nope.
Okay. Put it in my mouth.
I kind of forgot what color.
Yellow, orange, red.
I'm pretty sure you had orange. Maybe not. I forgot what colors she had. Don't show the camera. Let me see. Green, red, purple. So you only got one right. It's okay. You still good. Good. Bye guys.
guys.
Thank you guys for
Thanks for
watching.
watching.
Make sure you
And
guys go like and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
And watch our
And
next
next
video.
video.
Bye.
Bye.
Yellow.